Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a speed clean video of my bedroom. I'm just going to get straight into it. The wipes that I love to use are these ones, which I've only ever picked up once before. They're really good. They're like wet when you use them, but they're like dry to touch, which I really like. So I generally just like to crack on with wiping down all of the surfaces. I wanted to do this video today because it's been highly requested since my room tour video has gone live, and I've also had loads of questions about tips to just help like keep on top of cleaning your bedroom, so I thought that this would be a good video for today. So if you do enjoy it, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. I like to go around all of my room at first and work just like my way round. So this surface is like mine and Jay's area together. It's mostly his. I just put some of his little bits away. I have loads of candles over here, so I have the matches. Then I have a little pot that I put any like spare change in that I find, which is actually like quite heavy now and building up. And the biggest step for me when cleaning a bedroom is to clear the bed. I think cleaning the bed first makes a massive difference. I'm just putting the things away in my wardrobe that were on my bed. Another tip that I do is keep rubbish actually outside. So if I have a rubbish bag, instead of keeping the rubbish bag in my room as I'm cleaning, I keep it outside and take my rubbish in and out. It just like puts everything outside the room rather than making it messy again in the room. Here I'm just popping away all the stuff that is on my bed and on my bedside table and making that all nice and clean. I'm also doing Jay's table. They're not too like dirty, they're just a little bit dusty, so I'm just gonna wipe over all of those and sort them out. I also tend to have a lot of things like round the bottom of my bedside table that I keep there, so I've got like my laptop and stuff. I also use my straighteners this morning, so I pop those away in a little basket that is just next to my desk. And then on my vanity I have loads of stuff. I was very kindly sent some new products by Rimmel, which I have put over on my Instagram. There's some nail varnishes that are gel and also some amazing liquid lipsticks, so yeah, I was really happy to receive those. So I just am popping those to one side and again using my wipes to wipe down the entire surface, and this is the place that gets the grubbiest in my bedroom, so yeah, just making that all nice and clean. Last step, which I think makes a world of difference, is to switch on all your lights. I feel like having lights gives everything like an ambiance. If you have any candles, light the candles. It just gives like a nice cozy feel to the room, and that is basically how I really quickly clean my room. Now this isn't a proper full-on in-depth video. If you would like a different one showing you like how I properly sort it out and organize my bedroom, then let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I hope that you liked this video for a midweek one. If you do, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe before you leave, see more videos from me, and I will see you on Friday for another video.